How to fix the Netflix app brightness problem. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do that. First of all, make sure you have installed and updated your Netflix to the latest version. After you have simply done so, then you can just head into your app section and scroll a little bit down where you will find the very section of apps, and on the top search bar you need to search for the Netflix right here. Tap on it, scroll a little bit down and tap on the storage section. Tap on clear data and clear cache from here. Go a little bit down. Now you need to go to the battery option. Make sure it is not restricted and on the optimized option so that you can make your brightness also optimized and everything will be normal right now. After you do this, just force stop your Netflix and go to the Google Play Store. If you haven't updated, do update it, and again reopen and re-log into your Netflix account. Now your problem should be solved. If it is not solved, then go to the help center of Netflix and it will give you feedback after few hours to few days. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.